To clean or replace the engine air filter on your Slingshot, follow these steps. Place the transmission in gear. Set the parking brake. Push down on the hood latch and lift back to open the hood. Clean any dirt or debris away from the air filter area. Remove the nut and bolt securing the air filter bracket to the passenger side top radiator mount. Loosen the clamp and slide the air filter off the intake pipe. Inspect the air filter and replace if necessary. Notice: in dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Do not attempt to clean the air filter with compressed air. If the filter has become soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. If replacing, transfer over the clamp and remove the nut and bracket from the old air filter and install on the new filter. Clean the area around the intake pipe. Notice: dirt or debris in the intake tube could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake tube before installing the filter. Install the air filter on the intake tube. Notice: use of non-Polaris approved air filters may cause engine damage. Always use a Polaris approved replacement filter. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. Install the bolt and nut to secure the air filter bracket to the passenger side top radiator mount. Tighten the clamp on the air filter and close the hood. Caution: operating the vehicle without an air filter installed can result in serious engine damage, which could result in an accident or injury to the operator or others. Always make sure the air filter is installed. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.